EIKEN 5 Listening Test. Questions 26 to 35, Part 1.
Number 26. What is the boy doing? The boy is playing soccer. Number 27. Where is the dog? Under the table. Number 28. What is the girl drinking? Juice. Number 29. What is the man doing? Driving a car. Number 30. What is the girl holding? A teddy bear. Number 31. Where is the clock? On the wall. Number 32. How is the weather? It is raining. Number 33. What is the girl doing? Brushing her teeth. Number 34. What is the man wearing? A hat. Number 35. What is the boy holding? A soccer ball. Questions 36 to 45. Part 2.
Number 36. What does the girl like?
Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do.
Number 37. Where is the book?
Where is my book?
On the table.
Number 38. What time is it?
What time is it now?
3 o'clock.
Number 39. What does the boy want to do?
What do you want to do?
Play soccer.
Number 40. Where is the girl's mother?
Where is your mother?
In the kitchen.
Number 41. What day is it today?
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
Number 42. What is Ken doing?
What is Ken doing?
He is reading a book.
Number 43. What does Sarah have?
What do you have, Sarah?
I have a new pencil.
Number 44. What is the weather like today?
What is the weather like?
It is sunny and warm.
Number 45. Where is the bus going?
Where is the bus going?
It is going to the station.
Keep practicing. 頑張ってくださいね。